Hello everyone, welcome to Emily.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. Today we are going to introduce the import file. The import file function can be used to copy the specified path file to the working directory as a reference file for other steps or input file. Usually when you need to use a file on a specific path in your process, we will first use the import file function to copy the file to the working directory. Next, we'll show how to use the import file function. First, we open the training mode. Click Import File. Import File has two parameters to set. The first parameter is the source file path. You can click the icon of the paperclip to select the file that needs to be imported. We chose the desktop file path file. And the second parameter can be set to set the name of the file after importing. We set the file name to source.txt. Please note that the file name in this field needs to contain the extension, then click OK. Open the working directory. You can see filepath.txt is copied to the working directory and named source.txt. If the file name is not set after the import, the file will be imported with the original file name. For example, we choose to import filename.txt on the desktop and leave the second parameter blank. Click OK. Filename.txt will be copied to the working directory with the original file name. In addition, these two fields can be filled in using environment variables to dynamically specify the files to be imported into the working directory. For example, in the current working directory, there are already two text files, source.txt, where a file path is stored, and filename.txt, where a file name is stored. So in the file path source field, I can put %source% to put the contents of the source.txt into this field. And for the named field, I can put the content of the filename.txt into this field by filling in %filename%. After clicking OK, you can see Emily copy the file from the file path in source.txt to the working directory and name it as the content of the filename.txt. If you need to adjust the steps for importing files, you can reset the fields for the path to the source file and the file name by clicking Tweak. A common error in the import file function is that the file on the specified path cannot be found for importing. For example, if I delete the file path.txt on the desktop and re-execute the process, Emily will not be able to find the filepath.txt, causing the process to be interrupted and generating an error.txt in the working directory. And the content of the error.txt text file will tell you that the file importing step has generated an error due to the failure to find a file in this path. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.